My name is Tapia, and this is a story about me and my family. Hope you enjoy it. Hurry up. Wake up. You got a meeting at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good, temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night, not good, so get home early today, take some rest, and? Do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso. Apo.
Sure.
Tapia! Can you get the lipstick we did last time? Lux, number 7.
Reorder. Lux number 7 lipstick.
Thank you.
It's been 2 weeks since last time you call your mom. Don't you miss her? Maybe it's time to stop quarreling with each other?
Tapia, call my mom.
Yes.
모시모시.
Tapia. Dog robot companion.
For ages, the dog has been man's best friend. We want to introduce you to man's new best friend. Meet Chip. Chip is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. Chip is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With the smart band, Chip recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. Chip is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks. And the smarter Chip becomes, the more badges he earns. When you like what you see, just press the like button on the band, which can encourage him to behave. Or be a little mischievous. Your choices change Chip's behavior and shapes his personality, so that no two Chips are ever alike. Chip is a connected experience. He has a translator. What is it, Chip? So you can understand his thoughts. He comes with his own smart ball, so you can play fetch and stay active together. He also has sensors, so you can maneuver around obstacles with ease. And with the mobile app, you can feed Chip, which shows you care. And that's important, because when you're in need, no matter it big or small, he's there for you. With his beacon sense technology, Chip is fully aware of his surroundings.
Seriously, no one's seen it? This is like the 5th time.
He even knows how to return to his bed when it's time for a charge, so he never runs out of energy. Chip is a smart device. Chip is a robot. Chip is a dog. But most importantly, Chip is a friend. The best kind.
this is Wes with the Gadget Flow, and today we are showcasing the Ninebot Segway, your chance to join the revolution in personal transportation. Segway has been a leader in this industry with their proven motor technology. Add robot mode and you have the same Segway experience and your own intelligent companion. It's also customizable so you can add personality or function as you see fit. The connected app lets you keep track of your Ninebot, and with multiple cameras and depth sensing, you can be sure it will sense the environment accurately so it can move intelligently. The Ninebot's cameras work for video calls so you can chat with your loved ones no matter where you are. Make it your buddy, make it your friend, make Ninebot and the future a part of your life.
Meet Ido.
What can I do for you today?
Ido is a part of your family.
Good morning.
He's an intelligent, capable, and affordable companion.
Morning, Ido. What's going on today?
He can do just about anything. The help you have always wanted. A handyman.
I need some light.
A teacher. A friend.
This is fun.
He is perfect in every way. He can be just about anyone. A carer.
Thank you, Ido.
A homemaker. He's a personal butler who's trustworthy. He is whatever you want him to be.
Ido, can you show me the Milky Way story?
Sure.
Hi, I am Zenbo. I guess I could make celery soup with hot dogs. Or seafood paella. Hey Zembo, help me find a seafood paella recipe.
Step 1.
Put the onion and fennel in the bowl and then add some olive oil.
Okay, next step?
Step 2. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook the ingredients for 5 minutes.
Well, well, well. 65 years young. Mine's still sharp as a tack. I didn't even need a reminder about the photo shoot today.
Bob, you have one to-do item. Take blood pressure medication.
All right. Of course. Back in my day, we knew how to dress for a photo. I'm always adding to my outfit to help keep it fresh. Thomas, big guy, how about adding one of those leather belts to Grandpa's outfit?
Sure. Need help ordering it?
Smart as a whip, my boy.
Okay, just click on Buy It Now and press on Log In with the account I set up for you last time.
B-O-B. A-W-E-S-O-M-E. Did I ever tell you you're my favorite grandson?
Ow!
All right, kids. Get over here. Hey, Zembo, let's read The Big Bad Wolf and the 7 Little Sheep.
After the door opened, the postman turned out to be the Big Bad Wolf instead.
I'm the Big Bad Wolf. I'm going to eat you.
Eat her, not me.
My little sheep, cover your face and don't let the Big Bad Wolf find you.
You think I can't find you? I will eat all of you little sheep.
Dad, this story is better than your last book.
Whoa, that's harsh. I guess playtime's over. Daddy's got to go work on his craft.
Fine. Hey, Zimbo, let's play fun quizzes.
Do you know how bees communicate with one another? Do they dance?
Yes, they do.
That's right, but they also use smell and sound too.
Must be up here somewhere.
I told you two to get ready.
Harsh critics have spoken. I need to edit a few pages before dinner.
Oh, no. No. Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. I'm just trying to find my, Hey, what do you know? My scarf. Look what I found.
Just stay there. Eric will be over to pick you up.
But the pages!
You'll be fine. And Sally, I need you to pick out your clothes. Hurry.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't forget Thomas again.
Hey, Zimbo, play Banana Post by Gary. I'm ready to reveal my new pose.
Got a better you. Or I can keep myself amused. I can keep myself.
Hey, Zimbo, take a picture.
1, 2, 3, say cheese.
This year I want to do something a bit more grown up. Ew, too much lips. Hey, Zimbo, Delete that.
Done. Please let me know if there is anything else I can do for you.